Loana, and I'm coming from Romania, and I'm here for almost 3 years. And on Racoon, I'm working in cleaning and item service. I came from Romania 3 years ago, and I just wanted to start a new life here together with my daughter. I guess Charlie was the first one calling me and asking me if I can come to an interview. So I just came and everything was okay, and I liked what I've seen in the first minutes around here in the office. Yes, I have an education in Romania, and I finished 2 lines of the university on languages, Romanian and English languages, and psychology. And I work in Romania for almost 20 years as a teacher in a high school. But here, I'm not working in the same field. I'm just going here to a Sprock Center in Gloucester with the idea of learning your language. The most that I like on this job is maybe the team. Starting with those who are working in the office. Everyone is very nice, and actually it's quite a cultural difference comparing to Romania, because here is not such a big difference between those who are running the company and those who are working actually in the company. So everything is more transparent, and people are more connected to each other, and you don't have to be that official in the way that you are acting or talking to the others who are in the office. So you feel like a family somehow. And I like also the way that we are dealing with different people from different countries. They are having different cultures, different age, different way of seeing the reality. And I think this is something interesting every day to deal with something like this. Working on Racoon, I think it is unique. And it is unique not just because of cleaning, even though also this is a very important part. And I know from the others also that Racoon is not just about cleaning or speed in cleaning, because most of them think that it is in that way. Actually, Racoon is about quality. Quality is the most important feature, so that's why I accepted, because I'm kind of a perfectionist type. So this kind of way of seeing life and job, like quality, is the first thing that you need to deal with. It's kind of for me also, so that's why I like it. And the people and all the activities that we are having during the working days or in weekends, or everything that it is happening here is making it unique, and that's why I'm still staying here.